keema lukmi.
Half kg of maida all-purpose flour. Salt as per taste. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Take a mixing bowl and add maida. Add salt. Give a mix. Add melted butter. Combine butter and maida well. Gradually add water and make soft dough. Press nicely and make dough. Perfect dough is ready. Cover and leave for 15 minutes. Half kg of minced keema. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. 2 finely chopped onions. 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. Salt as per taste. Half lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Half tsp of turmeric powder. Half tsp of garam masala powder. Half bunch of chopped coriander and mint leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chopped onion. Give a mix. Add ginger garlic paste. Roast it well. Add chopped green chilies. Give a mix. Add turmeric powder. Add salt. Add red chili powder. Mix them well. Add minced keema. Mix well. Stir fry. Roast well. Add chopped mint and coriander leaves. Give a mix. Add garam masala powder. Add lemon juice. Mix it well. Turn off flame. Tasty keema mint stuffing is ready. Take dough and make into 2 portions. Roll dough and cut into small pieces. Make round-shaped balls. Dough balls are done. Sprinkle some flour on rolling board and take a dough ball and roll. Take 1 teaspoon of keema and place on 2 sides. Apply water in middle and to the corners. Fold from one side. Gently press corners. Press in middle and cut into 2 pieces. Cut corners to give a nice shape. Lukmis are done. Repeat the process. Time to fry lukmis. Heat oil and dip 1 by 1 lukmi and fry. Fry on medium flame. Flip on other side and fry. Fry until crisp and golden brown. Lukmis are fried well. Remove them. Lukmis are done. Crispy and tasty lukmis are ready to serve. do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.